Hello everybody, my name is Jose Aispurua, and today we're going to practice some vocabulary related to places and people at school. Let's begin. The classroom, the classroom, el salón de clases. The kitchen, the kitchen, la cocina. The court, la cancha. The aisle, el pasillo. The yard, el patio. The orchard, el huerto. The computer lab, el salón de computadoras. The principal's office, la oficina de la directora. The warehouse, el depósito. The bathrooms, los baños. Now let's talk about the people at school, okay? The student, el estudiante. The classmate, el compañero. The teacher, el maestro. The principal, el director. The janitor, la aseadora. The inspector, el inspector escolar. The cook, el cocinero. The supervisor, el supervisor. The guardian, la acudiente. The visitor, el visitante. Thank you so much for your attention.